Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of convenience and adventure with the Hikenture Extended Collapsible Wagon, a game-changer for anyone needing a reliable transport solution. This wagon boasts an unmatched capacity, 3 times greater than most, allowing you to pack everything you need for beach outings, camping trips, or any adventure without leaving anything behind. Engineered with a reinforced steel frame, it supports up to 500 pounds, making it perfect for hauling groceries, sports gear, or gardening supplies effortlessly. Its patented 4-way folding design reduces its size to just 1/10 of its expanded form, ensuring easy storage in your cabinet or car trunk. Equipped with widened all-terrain wheels and front wheel brakes, this wagon conquers any terrain, from rocky paths to sandy beaches, with ease. The 360 degrees rotating handle with triangular support enhances maneuverability, allowing you to glide through aisles or navigate tight corners effortlessly. Whether you're tackling everyday shopping or embarking on outdoor adventures, the Hikenture wagon is your ultimate companion for seamless control and unmatched convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.